Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is LG brand 7 kg top front loader washing machine. This is a direct drive motor. This machine actually having problem while selecting through the selector switch. Customer not able to select which is require option. Because of that actually we have to repair this machine, and we will go to the next step and we will check. Now I will show you the problem with this machine. Now I already given power connection. Now I will switch in on machine. Now I need to select quick 30, but I will try to select quick 30. You can see here while I am rotating, this is the problem. Actually we are not able to select while we are rotating. It's coming clockwise, anti-clockwise both sides, but now I'm trying to select quick 30. It's not selecting, it's going backward, not the forward. You can see here. Now I selected already. It is long time we have to struggle. After that only we can select. Now see, it's not going. This is the problem actually with this machine. Now we have to remove the front panel. After that we have to check the selector switch, because I know it is problem with the selector switch. Now I will show you while within quick selection also. Now all the lights are blinking, you can see, but problem only the selector switch is not working properly. Now we can check the machine also with Q test. Machine is running well, but problem we are not able to select any option. Because of that only we have to repair this machine. Now I have to remove the front panel, and display PCB we have to take it out. After that we will replace the selector switch. Before that we have to check properly. You can see machine actually it is no any abnormal noise also. Bearing everything perfect, no any noise. The machine is okay. Now we will go to the next step and we will check. Now we have to remove the back of the two screws. After that we can take it out top cover. Now we can take it out. Like that we can take it out. Now we are going to remove the front panel. Because of that we have to remove the detergent drawer here. After that we can remove here two screws are here. Now it's okay. Now we can remove the front panel. Also I will remove all the connectors are here. Now we will remove the harness from the control board. While pressing we can take it out like that. It's very easy. Also here lock, we can take it out. Also another connectors, black color one also is a power supply here. Now it's okay. Now we can take panel. While we are going to remove the panel here having lock, we have to press this lock. After that only it will come. It's very easy, otherwise it's not coming. You can see here lock. This lock we have to press. Here also Now it will come very easy. Now I will remove the front panel, main control board from the panel. We have to remove all the screws are here. Now it's okay. Now we can take it out. Control board. While we are going to take in here, we have to press selector switch. It's very easily it will come. Now I'm going to release display PCB. We have to remove this connector. After that we can remove this one also. This one also lock. Now we can take it out. Now we can press here. This lock will come like that. It's very easy. Now you can see here. This is the problem actually. This selector switch having issue because it's not selecting properly. Because of that we have to remove the knob first. Also this guard also, while pressing this lock it will come out. It's very easy. Now what I'm going to do, I will remove this one and I will fix another selector switch. After that we can check it is whether working or not properly. Now I'm going to remove this one selector switch. After that we will try to with another one. Now we can take it out. This one actually it is it's not working properly. Anyway, we will replace another one and we will check if it is working or not. Having the same one, this one I'm going to replace. This is new one. And we will replace and check it is whether working or not. It should work actually. We have to mount properly here. Now we can check. I already soldered new one. Now we will test with the main control board if it is working or not. Now I'm going to fix with the main control board and display PCB, and we will check it is whether working or not properly. It should work actually now. Now it's okay. Now I will give the here connection and also this one. And before fixing to the panel, we will check if it is working or not. Now it's okay. Now I will I will keep like that here. I already given power connection. Also I switch it on the machine. Now I will select any option and I will turn. Yes dear my friends, yes my dear friends, you can see it is working properly. It's turning. We can select, not like before. You can see. Yes, now we will fix with the panel and we will check. Now we have to remove again connections, everything. After that we will fix with the panel and we will check. Remove all the harness from the main control board. Now we have to fix again. To fix this one, we have to fix properly this one. All the LEDs should come to the panel cover. It's like that, all the lock. Now it's okay. Now we can fix, select the switch knob. Now I will fix to the panel. Here, while you are going to fix here, this is the permanent lock. We have to fix like this permanent lock first, that side. After that we have to keep like that. It will come very easy. Now I have to fix all the screws again. Now all the screws are already fixed. Now we have to fix again harness. Now it's okay. Now we can fix to the body. Here, before fixing, you can see here these two locks here, this one and this one. We have to fix properly this panel lock to that. After that only we can easy to fix that one. Now it's okay. Now I will give the power connection again. I already given power connection. Now I will select quick 30 again as same before. Yes my dear, it is working properly. Problem with the selector switch. Now it is working properly, no any issue. Now I didn't give the water connection because of that actually. Now I will fix detergent drawer and here two screws and top cover, everything. After that our job will be finished. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.